Hello everyone! Today we're taking a special journey back in time to the historic Apollo missions of the late 1960s. These missions forever changed our understanding of space, with astronauts walking on the moon for the first time. And in a fascinating new twist, we now have photos from more than 50 years later, showing the exact spots where those groundbreaking landings took place. These stunning images were captured by India's Chandrayaan-2 orbiter, and today, we'll dive into the significance of these findings. On July 20, 1969, history was made. The Apollo 11 mission landed on the moon, and astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on another celestial body. Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," were broadcast around the world. While Armstrong and Aldrin made history on the lunar surface, Michael Collins, the third astronaut on the mission, stayed in orbit, waiting for their return in the command module. The mission was a monumental achievement not just for the United States but for all of humanity. Just months later, NASA launched its second crewed mission to the moon, Apollo 12. On November 19, 1969, astronauts Charles Pete Conrad and Alan Bean became the third and fourth men to walk on the moon, making Apollo 12 a significant chapter in the Apollo program. Unlike Apollo 11, which landed near the Sea of Tranquility, Apollo 12's landing site was near the Surveyor 3 spacecraft, a robotic probe that had landed on the moon 2 years earlier. The mission's success paved the way for further lunar exploration. Fast forward to 2021, over 50 years later. India's Space Research Organization, or ISRO, launched the Chandrayaan-2 mission, an ambitious lunar exploration project that included an orbiter designed to map and study the moon's surface. In April 2021, Chandrayaan-2's orbiter captured high-resolution images of the Apollo 11 landing site and Apollo 12 landing site, showing the remnants of the historic lunar modules still resting on the surface. These photos offer a glimpse of where humanity first set foot on another world, preserved in time. The images reveal something truly remarkable. The Apollo 11 and Apollo 12 landing modules, Eagle and Intrepid, are still clearly visible from orbit. You can even see the path of the astronauts' footprints around the landing sites. The iconic American flags left by the astronauts, the scientific instruments, and the lunar modules all remain as evidence of the achievements from these historic missions. This kind of preservation offers a tangible link between the past and present, allowing us to witness firsthand the remnants of humanity's first steps on the moon. Why are these images so significant? First and foremost, they serve as a visual confirmation of the moon landings that took place more than 5 decades ago. Despite claims from some conspiracy theorists, these photographs reinforce the truth that humans did indeed land on the moon. More importantly, these photos offer a rare opportunity to look back at history and see how much we've accomplished. From those first lunar steps to today's ongoing lunar exploration missions, it's clear that the moon will continue to play a major role in humanity's future in space. India's Chandrayaan-2 mission was not only an important milestone for ISRO, but it also highlighted India's growing capabilities in space exploration. Launched on July 22, 2019, exactly 50 years after Apollo 11, the mission's orbiter has provided invaluable data about the moon's surface, including the locations of the Apollo landing sites. The Chandrayaan-2 orbiter's mission has paved the way for future lunar exploration, with the goal of understanding more about the moon's mineral composition and its water resources, which could play a crucial role in future space missions. The legacy of the Apollo missions continues to inspire today's space programs, including NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the moon by 2024. With advancements in technology, the dream of returning to the moon, and eventually establishing a permanent human presence there, is closer than ever. The Apollo missions were groundbreaking not just for their technical achievements, but for what they represented, the spirit of exploration and the desire to push the boundaries of what we know. The photos captured by Chandrayaan-2 remind us of that legacy and offer a glimpse into the future of space exploration. As we look back at these historic images from India's Chandrayaan-2 orbiter, we are reminded of the incredible achievements of the Apollo missions and the continuing journey of space exploration. Whether it's the lunar modules left behind, or the ambitious goals of missions like Artemis, one thing is clear: the moon remains a symbol of human ingenuity and curiosity. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey through space history. Be sure to subscribe for more updates on the latest in space exploration, and stay tuned for the next giant leap for mankind. Until next time,